3 months ago, I started an Etsy shop. Etsy made me almost over 16K. The best part is, I worked on it less than an hour a day, and it still gives me passive income every month. Do you also want to become rich while sleeping? If so, you've come to the right place. AI became my ultimate business partner. It's automating tasks and exponentially boosts my earnings. I'll show you exactly how you can use AI to your advantage and make big money. Stick around because I'll be revealing my step-by-step journey, the way to get seriously rich with the help of AI on Etsy. Etsy is already a big platform, and it's getting bigger and bigger, so there is enough place for you to make money. So, have you ever wondered if you could make an extra 15K a month in passive income from just one product? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not too good to be true. It's a real possibility for digital product sellers. And guess what? I can even sell it on repeat, earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars in passive income. Stay with me and I'll show you what it is, how much it can make, and how you can create it using my favorite AI tool. Let's dive in to know more about this amazing opportunity. Picture this: a bustling online marketplace where creativity knows no bounds and millions of eager buyers are ready to discover unique digital products. Welcome to Etsy, the ultimate platform for artists, designers, and entrepreneurs alike. With its big user base and growing demand for digital downloads, it's now time for you to get started. Now, here's the game changer: AI. AI helped me not only save time but also create digital designs for my Etsy business. So use the power of AI in your Etsy business for a game-changing advantage that propels you ahead of the competition. The key to Etsy's success lies in understanding your audience like never before. AI algorithms can sift through big amounts of data to identify trends, preferences, and even predict customer behavior. Imagine being able to offer precisely what your customers desire, resulting in increased sales and raving reviews. You don't need to be a design genius to stand out on Etsy. AI-powered creative tools can help you generate awesome and one-of-a-kind digital products, be it printable art, personalized designs, or captivating illustrations. Say goodbye to creative blocks and say hello to an endless stream of innovative ideas. Now I'll share a cool discovery with you guys, a specific type of digital product that can easily bring in passive income. I used an AI text-to-image tool like DALL-E. I generated captivating images for this product and sold it on Etsy. When I say passive income, I mean a product that requires some upfront effort, but once created, you can sit back and watch it sell repeatedly. How amazing is that? Picture yourself earning money while you sleep, relax on vacation, or handle everyday tasks. Smart online sellers embrace this strategy to free themselves from trading time for money and scale their businesses elsewhere. With AI at your side, you'll be more than just a seller. You'll become a trendsetter. I spend hours analyzing market trends, identifying emerging niches, and predicting the next big thing. But then I discovered AI and how I can use it properly. AI can give you the edge to stay ahead of the curve and tap into new revenue streams before anyone else. Alright, let's create this cool digital product with DALL-E. But before that, let me show you what it's all about. In my research, I searched for gallery wall art on Etsy. And here's what I found: sets of printable images or designs that sellers offer as bundles. And guess what? These gems are digital products, which means zero hassle with printing or mailing physical posters. The buyers just snap them up, download the files, and done. Instant art for their homes. Can you see the potential here? We are talking about a thriving market where sellers can enjoy serious passive income. Did you know that Etsy sellers are cashing in on this digital art era? Now I'm gonna click on this bundle of 9 botanical wall art prints. With the Everbee Chrome extension, I analyzed this listing, and as you can see here, the estimated monthly revenue is over $15,000. Over 9,000 sales in just 14 months. That Etsy bestseller badge right there tells me one thing: this is not some stroke of luck. That shows consistent sales and nice profits for the seller. But wait, there's more. Another listing, captivating gallery wall art set, isn't making quite as much but still clocks in at an estimated $960 per month with over 1,200 sales. $1,000 a month from one single listing is not bad at all for the little effort you make. Can you imagine what you could achieve with a collection of these AI-powered digital products? That's like digital real estate. Alright guys, with DALL-E, our AI sidekick, you can craft stunning digital art sets in a snap. This one-time effort will set you up for passive income results. Just imagine earning an estimated $1,000 a month effortlessly, or even more. It all starts in your head. Get the right money mindset and just get started. Alright, choose between two options: the long route of becoming a graphic designer or the super simple route using an AI text-to-image tool like DALL-E. Why waste hours learning graphic design when you can let AI do the heavy lifting for you? Say goodbye to hours of laborious effort. With DALL-E, you'll whip up a stunning product in just a couple of minutes. I like to use DALL-E for this, the most user-friendly AI tool out there. You don't need to be an expert. Beginners can dive right in. Plus, it's brought to you by OpenAI, the same genius behind the chat-based AI tool, GPT. Imagine GPT for images. That's DALL-E for you. But here's the deal. DALL-E used to be free, but now they've introduced a credit-based system. But don't worry, it's worth it. For just $15, you can get 115 credits. That's only 13 cents per credit. Each credit lets you generate an image, submit an edit, or create variations. It's really that simple. The $15 compares nothing for what you can earn. For a few pennies, you unlock the power to create and sell like a digital Picasso. Wait, it gets better. DALL-E gives you the green light to sell the images you create. You're in complete control. As long as you follow their content policy and terms, you're free. You can sell, print, and merchandise your AI-generated creations. Alright guys, let's step into the captivating world of DALL-E. When you sign up and get your account, you're greeted with this powerful AI tool that's here to make your creative and financial dreams come true. With a single phrase as your prompt, DALL-E will work its magic, generating an array of stunning images. The best part? This tool is like a chameleon. As you can see, it can create Van Gogh-style paintings, 3D renderings, cartoons, and so much more. The possibilities are limitless. So here's how it works. To begin, you'll enter a prompt, and DALL-E will use its AI prowess to generate 4 intriguing images based on your input. The longer and more detailed your prompt, the better. For example, I want a gallery art set for an entrepreneur office, so I'll enter a prompt like sketch drawing digital art of modern luxury cars in black, white, and blue. Then I hit generate, but remember, each click uses a credit, so make sure it counts. DALL-E presents 4 images based on my prompt, and I'm spoiled for choice. Click generate again for more variations, or stick with your favorite. It's your call. Let's say I like this one. It's just what I envisioned. But wait, there's more. Clicking on variations reveals even more similar options, perfect for refining my design. Then I played the artist and editor at the same time. So I added a personal touch. Click edit to explore various editing options. The eraser tool lets me remove elements I'm not fond of. And done. With a few clicks, I've transformed the image to perfection. But we are not done yet. With DALL-E, you're the master of your creative universe. Once you've created the ideal image, click the download arrow. DALL-E gives you a PNG file, but for platforms like Etsy, you might prefer PDF or JPEG. But look, no worries. Online converters or tools like Canva can easily transform it. And now, it's time to create a captivating gallery art bundle. Remember, we need a design for each print in the set. If you want a fresh start, no worries. Just head back to your original prompt and type in something new. Now, I'll use a fresh prompt like continuous line drawing of a city in modern style with a dark background. Click generate, and we wait for the 4 cool options. Which design are you attracted to the most? You like a particular option, but let's take it up a notch. Click on the one you like and hit variations. DALL-E will show you a fresh set of 4 variations, like looking at your artwork from different angles. The choices are endless. You're happy with your chosen design, but why stop there? Feel like adding that final touch of uniqueness to your creation? Download the image and take it to Canva, where you can jazz it up with text or graphic elements. Own your unique style and make it stand out from the crowd. I personally enjoy putting my personal touch on my creations. You see, your customers will choose your artistic masterpieces when there is a hint of uniqueness. You've crafted a collection of outstanding prints, each with its own style. Now, save them to the right file types, ready for the big reveal. Head to Etsy and showcase your creations to the platform. Now let your art sell on repeat and watch passive income flow effortlessly into your bank account. In the pursuit of passive income mastery, understanding your audience is key. As previously mentioned, I use Everbee, an AI tool that gives me insights about high-demand products and revenues of other listings on Etsy. This tool will save you time doing product research on Etsy. Time is money, so let this AI tool help you like it helped me to save time and to upscale my business. This video probably went by fast, so please rewatch to make sure you followed every step correctly. Please keep in mind, making money always takes time and effort. Have fun and don't give up. It's time to escape the matrix and start your Etsy shop. Let us know if you're ready to become financially free in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Escaping the Matrix content. See you soon.